Namaste, Priyanka from Hubli branch. Today I wanted to show how to make the chili fry in LG micro oven. Okay, in Kannada to say means ಮೊಸರುಕಾಯಿನ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು LG micro oven ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Let's see the ingredients. Yes, I took some red chilies, dry red chili, and to fry some oil I took 2 to 3 drops of oil. Okay. Now this is I put in the multi-cook pan and keeping the micro oven. How to roast the dry chilies and all. Okay. Just I am keeping it for 30 seconds to get the heated. This is the LG micro oven with a Wi-Fi connected. Okay. This is the newly launched model. And just I'm going for the 30 second first to get heated or something toasted like this. See, for the 30 seconds. Yes, just I had kept for 30 seconds and we had got the end on the display. Just have it turn and put some oil. Okay, 1 to 2 drops of oil. Yes, now totally it got roasted and I will add some 1 spoon of oil. We'll mix it and keep in the micro oven. And just mix it within the micro oven. Okay, for 2 minutes. 1 minute one side and 1 minute another side. Okay, settings for 2 minutes. 2 minutes in the microwave section. Okay, micro. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt means please comment in the comment box. Thank you.